Stop waiting to feel like doing the work. The truth is, motivation is a lie that's keeping you broke and stagnant. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we're diving into the psychology of performance and why trying to stay motivated every single day is actually a losing strategy. I'm going to show you the scientific shift from relying on fleeting emotions to building an unbreakable system of action. Whether you're navigating the volatility of the TX ecosystem or building a business in 2026, the rules of human discipline remain the same. The motivation myth. Most people think the cycle goes. Motivation leads to action, which leads to results. But science shows us it's actually the opposite. Action creates the momentum that generates the feeling of motivation. If you wait until you feel inspired to study DeFi or check your portfolio, you've already lost the day. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings are volatile, just like a low-cap altcoin. The power of systems over goals. Goals are about the results you want to achieve. Systems are about the processes you follow. Instead of saying, "I want to be a millionaire investor," create a system where you read one white paper every morning at 8 a.m. This removes the decision fatigue that kills your productivity. Check out coherencedaddy.com for more on structuring your mindset for long-term success. Dopamine and the reward loop. Your brain is wired for instant gratification, which is why scrolling social media feels better than studying the TX ecosystem. To stay consistent, you need to gamify your boring tasks. Break your big goals into micro wins. Every time you complete a small task, your brain releases a hit of dopamine. This creates a positive feedback loop that makes you actually want to repeat the action tomorrow. The 5-minute rule. When you absolutely cannot find the will to start, use the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you will only do the task for 5 minutes. If you want to stop after that, you can. The hardest part of any journey, whether it's mastering DeFi or fitness, is the friction of starting. Once you break that static friction, the momentum carries you forward. Motivation is a result of action, not a prerequisite for it. Build systems that remove the need for willpower. Use micro wins and the 5-minute rule to beat procrastination. In 2026, the biggest competitive advantage isn't intelligence or capital. It's the ability to show up when you don't feel like it. If you're ready to level up your mindset and your portfolio, hit that subscribe button and join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if this shift in perspective helped you today. Comment systems below if you're committing to a daily routine starting tomorrow.